The area of a rectangle lot is 6x squared minus 15xy minus 4xz plus 10yz m squared. So find the possible expressions for its dimensions. So here is the solution. So in this problem, we want to find the possible expressions for the length and the width of the rectangular lot. Okay? And the area is expressed as 6x squared minus 15xy minus 4xz plus 10yz meter squared. Now, we copy the area 6x squared minus 15xy minus 4xz plus 10yz. So to find the possible expressions for its length and width, we will use factoring by grouping. Okay? So we can group the first two terms and then the last two terms. 6x squared minus 15xy. So we will use parenthesis, that is for grouping. And then minus, okay, 4xz. So since we use minus sign, so the sign for the last term is negative, right? Because negative times negative, that would be positive. So negative 10yz. Now, what is the common factor for these two terms? 6x squared minus 15xy. So the common factor is, or the greatest common factor is 3x. So we will divide each term by 3x. 6x squared divided by 3x. So 6 divided by 3, 2. And then you can copy the variable and then subtract the exponents. So 2 minus 1, 1. 2x raised to 1 or just 2x. And then divide 15xy by 3x. 15 divided by 3, 5, and we can cancel out x. So we have 5y. So minus 5y. And then minus the greatest common factor for these two terms, 4xz minus 10yz, is 2z, right? So we will divide 4xz by 2z. So 4 divided by 2, 2, and we can cancel z. So we have 2x. And then minus, divide 10yz by 2z. So we can cancel out z. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we have 5y minus 5y. Now we have, as you can see, we can factor out 2x minus 5y. Or actually, you can cancel this out. And then we can copy 3x minus 2z. And then 2x minus 5y. So the possible dimensions are 3x, 3x minus 2z meters by 2x minus 5y meters.